Hello, my name is Luthfi. I am 21 years old and I am from Indonesia. Now, I would like to tell you about three main priorities areas of GCED that are needed for my local community. Number one is environment. It represented by the longest river in West Java, Indonesia, Citarum River, and also called as the most polluted river in the world. And there are 5 million people live around there, and then their water supply are dependent on Citarum River. Number two is education. It includes about a lack competency of teachers in Indonesia, and then about a child unfriendly school. It represented by the bullying and then violence, either physical or non-physical. And then the third one is the discrimination against marginalized groups. It represented by a hard access for them to education. And the last one is about poverty. You know that in Indonesia there are still a lot of people who live in a poverty. So based on the data that I've get from Indonesia Statistics Agency, that it represents that poverty rose to 27.7 million people in March 2017.